It's your boy AX. I need I say no more. I'm going in on them, I'm going hard, yeah. I knocks at every time of the park baseball. And these dudes never sit back, relax and have fun. I guess that's why they always gotta step out and start a front. This that rocket ship flow, nigga, Nassau. Break your neck looking up at me as I lift off. I'm out of this world, I'm gone. I'm out of the old zone, yeah, that's right, boy, jet zone. You see my girl, she's on that museum shit. So my nigga, look with your eyes, don't touch. Hands off. If a nigga cross, if a nigga step, if a nigga think he could come and disrespect, then it's the wreck. My Nike's on his neck. Check, deze man is low, deze man is gek. Deze man gaat helemaal los op de track. And I'm starting to get a little psycho, cause this beat got me getting hyped out, yo. So I might just go Michael and I might go when I flow smooth criminal. My nigga, y'all better be ready for drastic measures, cause boy, I'ma be short, keep short close, quick feet, strong doors. Eagle in the sky, I smell my brain from my fall. First in the blood, I'm going in attacking like a shark, ripping and tearing your ass up completely apart. I'm going jaws on them and let these other MCs know I got a lyrical arsenal for them. I stand out, damn right, I'm different, my nigga. I twinkle, twinkle like a star. Haters wonder who I are. These J's on my feet got me above the world so high, I'm fly. Hang time, then I dunk on them, and then I be like, who wants some? You want some? Come get some. My nigga, don't start nothing that won't be nothing. What you talking about, nigga? Fall back, you frontin'. And I ain't playing with these rappers, so please, please, I beg, don't try to push my button, don't. All that talking and hating that y'all be doing don't mean nothing, and that shit is sad. That shit is sad. You know what? Give me a pen and a pad. I force it up like a mad. I lyrically murder these rappers, still tell them kiss my ass. So pull out the yellow tape, draw them chalk line straights, and don't forget the body bags. Shout out now. Shout out to ASR, DSF, and Shanks Entertainment. SO na iedereen. Shout out to everybody. I'm out.